Hi everyone. It's Matthew from How to Crypto. In today's how-to tutorial, I will be showing you how to download and install the TurboTax app for Android-compatible mobile devices. We hope you find this video helpful. Now let's begin. To start, scan the QR code provided to you on screen with your phone's camera to send you to the Google Play Store. Feel free to press the pause button here and throughout the tutorial if you need more time to follow along. You can also click the Get Started link in the description below. Once you are in the Google Play Store, tap the green Install button, located towards the top of the screen. It might take a minute or two to install. The app is free to download. Tap the green Open button. The application will open. Once you close out of the app, you will be able to view it on your home screen. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the TurboTax app. Make sure to check out the description below for TurboTax promotions, supplemental links for further information, and other How to Crypto affiliations. Leave your requests for future tutorials in the comments below.